my God.
It's like your whole life before your eyes.
It's like just so much. It's just already giving me like
intense anxiety.
Intense anxiety.
My name is Meghal and I'm a self-proclaimed organization nerd. Today I'm going to help my friend Courtney organize her overflowing closet. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe down below.
Hi, I'm Courtney. I live in a one-bedroom apartment in Astoria with my fiance, Jack. Part of the reason we chose this apartment was because of the huge walk-in closet. I just don't know how to sort through all of my stuff. I need help. Here it is.
All right. Wow.
It's very stressful trying to get things out of the closet. Because of my height, it's very hard for me to reach things, so I kind of just throw the sweatshirts on top of the closet.
There's a lot of stuff in here.
Jack has a ton of hats.
I don't think I've seen this many hats outside of a hat store in my entire life.
I can't even walk into it without stepping on a shoe.
Okay, there is a shoe rack in here, but there are shoes on the floor as well. Not sure when he wore this last because there is a giant dust bunny on it.
Nothing is folded correctly, nothing is where it's supposed to be, and sometimes things just fall on top of me. Originally, we wanted the closet to be split half and half of my stuff, half of Jack's stuff, but it hasn't really been working out that way. It's so hard for either of us to find what we're trying to wear. Both of us keep bumping into each other, and we end up fighting about it.
Okay. All right. Courtney and Jack are fortunate to have a walk-in closet, but it feels very tiny because of the clutter and overwhelming amount of clothes. So I'm here to help them find a new system that works for both of them. What are you thinking and hoping for your closet?
I want Jack to have a place to put his hats, not just throw them up there. I would love to have my sweatshirts in some kind of order. I'd really love if we could get some matching hangers, just so it would like look a little
I love
nicer.
matching hangers. For this space, it's not a matter of getting rid of things, but putting them in the right place. I'm excited to kind of tackle this and find some new solutions for you.
I can't wait to be able to just walk into the closet.
I'm gonna go order some stuff and then I'll be back to organize Courtney's closet with her. I am back and I have all the organizing solutions.
I'm so ready. I have Jack here to help us out a little bit. Jack's here to help us with the hardest part, emptying out the closet. Then he's got to go to work and it's up to me and Meghal to do the rest.
I'm nervous because I don't want any of it to be gone when I get back. So I'm trusting you with almost literally all of my belongings.
The first thing that we're gonna do is empty out the closet and then just sort things as we go. So when we put things back into the closet, there is a order to it. Oh.
The shoe rack is caught on a shoe. All right, I guess I have to go to work now. Please don't throw away any of my things.
Noted.
All right.
We've emptied out the closet.
I am seriously shocked that all of this even fit in the closet. There's so much to go through.
Ready to start filling everything?
I am so ready.
We're gonna sort through everything, get them in their respective piles. We're gonna switch out the old hangers for the new hangers. The velvet allows straps and shirts to hold onto them very easily, and they don't take up as much of space. I chose 2 purse organizers that will allow you to see the purses that you have, and you'll be able to easily access them and use all of them. For your side, Courtney, we got a 4-section shelving organizer with a garment rod at the bottom. Let's roll up the sweatshirts so you can see which one each is, and they'll easily fit in the hanging organizers. For the tops, let's organize them by type, and if necessary, we can organize them by color. That way you can form a mental image in your mind of where everything is, and plus it looks good. What's great about Jack is that he's so tall. We repurposed the shoe organizer that was living outside of the closet and put that up top to hold all of Jack's pants. You'll have more walking space in front of your closet, and the pants will have a place to live. For Jack's side, I also got a shelving organizer, and it's still pretty slim, so when we put this on the garment rod, he still will have plenty of room to hang the rest of his jerseys and shirts. I think one of the most challenging aspects of this closet was figuring out to do with all of the shoes. We actually got a organizer that can hang on the back of your door. Courtney, your shoes are smaller, so they'll easily fit in the organizer. For Jack's side, we're taking the shoe organizer, which originally had all of your shoes on it, and putting his shoes on it. And this will keep all of the shoes off the floor and up. You guys have probably like 5 million hats between the both of you, and I think Jack has most of them. I purchased 2 hat organizers. You clip hooks onto an adjustable nylon strap. We're just gonna mount them to the wall, and each hook can fit a few hats. Hopefully with these 2 hat organizers, we can clip the 5 million hats that are in this apartment. We have finished organizing and cleaning your closet. Everything's back in place, and I would say a better place than before.
I love how this came out. I'm not tripping over any shoes. I'm not searching for any sweatshirts. Everything is right where it needs to be. I don't feel like there's as much clutter. I just feel so much better right now.
Are you excited about anything in particular?
Yeah, I'm really excited about the matching hangers.
To organize this closet, we spent a total of $220. Honestly, I was a little nervous that it wasn't gonna work out, but magically everything came together. But it still is pretty tight. There isn't that much room to grow, so I think for both of you moving forward, say you buy a new pair of shoes, get rid of a pair that you don't like or don't use. That way it won't end up overflowing again. Do you think you can keep it up, keep it clean?
I know I'll keep my side clean. I mean, like, who knows with this one? He like buys a new hat every day, so.
Your closet is all done, so I'm gonna get out of here.
All right, thank you.
Thank you for having me. To subscribe to Refinery29, click here. To watch more videos like this, click here.